Okay, what you got, Colton? What you guys building? Dinosaur? Colton, where you going?
Where you going over there?
JJ, you gonna do somebody's hair, JJ? Masha, what are you doing? Say hello, I'm here. Colton, say I'm here. Nessa, you like your hair? Yes? You're not upset with me for doing your hair? Well, ask Colton. Can I share with you? Can I play with you? Can you share? You guys gotta use your words. Where's your doll? JJ. That's something for hair. That's a curling iron. Yeah, so you need the doll to do the hair.
Take it, Mama.
You're welcome, sweetie. I love you. Hey, JJ, you're gonna do somebody's hair. You gotta get a doll. Yeah. Yeah. Masha, what are you building, Masha? Masha. Masha. Hello. Masha. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. You can play with it too, Masha. Masha, look at me. Say hi. Yeah, we share. We share toys. Right, Masha? Right, Shane? And we share with our friends. Yeah. Okay, we're going to eat in a few, okay, guys? Say friends. Okay.